We're now on hour 3 of the neighbor down the street leaf blowing his large wooded front yard, but I've got vegetables to chop, so soldier on, we'll fix it in post.
Middle shelf, 13th book from the left, page 48. Farmer John's Cookbook. The real dirt on vegetables. Asparagus and white bean salad with feta and lemon dressing.
Got a bunch of copies of this cookbook for my farmer's market customers there. I ran a farmer's market for 20 years. So got a lot of copies of this, and I cooked a few things through it. It's all like, you can just flip to the season and see everything, and just tasty stuff. So I was happy this was the first one that got selected. And yeah, well, let's go. So we're going to start off with these navy beans in the Instant Pot. I could have used canned beans. Recipe said canned's fine, but I've got this big old bin of beans that I got at the start of the pandemic. And this is actually the second one just like this that I got because I found a whole bunch for cheap. And at the time, that's when all the stores had next to nothing and we didn't know what was going on. So I got a bunch of beans and I will use them. Just super simple in the Instant Pot. They're tiny beans, tiny beans. So they cook up nice and easy. Don't have to soak them. Really, the dry beans is one of my favorite uses of the Instant Pot. Just gonna put 2 cups in. I'll just look through them right quick, pick out any discolored beans. If I saw any rocks or anything. It's been a long time since I've seen a rock in a bean. In a bag of beans. That looks pretty good. And could just cook these up with water, but might as well add a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to give them a squeeze of garlic. I use fresh garlic a lot, but both jarred garlic and the tube garlic, it's all good. Especially if it's going to cook down and we're really just adding layers of flavor. Don't have to spend time squeezing and chopping fresh stuff. A little bit of better than bouillon. And water. And that is it. This is a salad, so there's a little bit of prep work. We've got asparagus, radishes, a lemon, green onion, and some fresh mint. All of this came from the store except for the mint, which I've got growing right out there. And let's start by zesting up the lemon. We're going to steam the asparagus for about 5 minutes. So I've got a little bit of boiling water in the pan. I've got the asparagus we just cut up in the steamer basket. So very simple. Boom, leave it there 5 minutes. Okay, they've been steaming for about 5 minutes, so we can take them off. And we want them to stop cooking right away, so we'll take these out and put them immediately into a hot ice water bath that I've got sitting right here. And they can sit and soak here in the ice water until we're ready for them. And now we're ready to start assembling the salad. First thing is to whip up the dressing for it. And it starts off with a tablespoon of olive oil, thereabouts. And then the lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons, so just shy of a tablespoon. There we go, almost equal parts. Then the mint over here, and that was a teaspoon of chopped mint, so just a nice healthy pinch. Then lemon zest, which we have right here. Put that in. And salt and pepper. So I've got some salt and pepper here. Put that in. And then we just mix that together. All right, just like that. Then to mix up the salad, just combine it all really. Beans, feta, radishes, scallions, mix those together, add the asparagus, and toss with the dressing. So let's do that. All right, to make our salad, we are going to put together, how much beans? It said it was about a cup of cooked beans, which we have that from the Instant Pot from earlier. And then the radishes, about half a cup, about that much. And then half a cup of feta, all chopped up. And then the scallions, about 2 tablespoons, all thinly sliced. And just combine those up. And then add in our asparagus, which I've got sitting in the ice water over here. And mix that up. Looks really good. And finally, put in the dressing. And combine that. Asparagus and white bean salad with feta and lemon dressing. Looks super tasty. Looks fresh, bright. Perfect for early spring or November, as the case may be. There's no surprises here. Asparagus is nice and fresh, has a little bit of crunch to it. The feta cheese has that saltiness and creaminess. And the beans too, they bring in their own little creaminess to the party. They cooked up really nicely there in the Instant Pot. Radishes have a nice crunch, and it could be a little spicier. There's not really much spice to these radishes at all. But you could try some that have a little spicier kick to them. The mint is there in the background with the lemon juice. They just sort of play back there, add some brightness. Thanks for the recipe selection, Siri. This is great.